There was more excitement in the Young Thug's trial on Monday, June 10th, 2024. Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele, confronted the judge about an ex parte conversation that occurred prior to the court proceeding. The ex parte communication took place in the judge's chambers between the judge, prosecutors, and the prosecutor's witness, Kenneth Copeland. However, Mr. Steele was not invited to that secret meeting. Now, should have Mr. Steele been a part of that secret meeting or not? Let's look at the Georgia Judicial Rule 2.9 and you decide. Leave your answers in the comments section. According to the rule, judges shall accord to every person who has a legal interest in a proceeding or that person's lawyer the right to be heard according to the law. Judges shall not initiate, permit, or consider ex parte communications made to them outside the presence of the parties or their lawyers concerning a pending proceeding or impeding matter. Mr. Steele, when asked by Judge Granville, who told you that information? Who told you that we had a secret meeting without you? Mr. Steele did not tell, so Judge Granville sent him to jail. Let's watch.
Well, Courtney Ross, a contentious day in court in a contentious trial has taken lots of bizarre turns. Young Thug's lawyer told the court he found out about a conversation between the judge, prosecutors, and a star witness for the DA's office. The judge said that defense lawyer was not supposed to be privy to that information.
I asked you how you got it.
A combative exchange between the judge and the defense lawyer for rapper Young Thug. Judge Earl Glanville repeatedly grilled lawyer Brian Steele on how he got private information from the judge's chamber. Steele refused to divulge a source.
I can't do that. Yes, you can, because I have an idea how you got it. Well, your idea. I have an idea how you got it, but that's improper, sir. Your idea may be wrong, and you're asking me to. Listen, I told you the first time.
Steele on Monday told the court he learned of a conversation between the judge, prosecutors, and Kenneth Copeland, a witness for the DA's office. Steele argued he should have been in that meeting.
I understand that you spoke with a witness outside our presence. And whenever, yes, I had an ex parte conversation, which is appropriate. And you influenced the witness.
The judge says Steele was not supposed to be part of that conversation.
To have a conversation in my chambers parroted to you and others, it is that serious.
Steele challenged the court, claiming a judge should not have contact with a sworn witness.
You're not supposed to have communication with a witness who's been sworn. Well, I'm going to hold you in contempt.
Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, is on trial on racketeering charges. Steele asked for a mistrial, arguing he cannot adequately represent his client if Steele is not in court.
Mr. Williams does not wish to go forward without me being here. You're removing me against his will, my will. You're taking away his right to counsel.
Judge Glanville denied that motion and had Steele removed from court. The judge hit Steele with the maximum sentence, 20 days in jail. Now, Steele can stretch that out over 10 weekends. Court resumes tomorrow morning at 9:30. Russ, Courtney?
Certainly don't see that very often. Christopher, thanks. We spoke with the trial lawyer late tonight after the judge's ruling. Tom Church says the defense attorney had a right to protect his source.
If a judge asks a question, the defense lawyer's got to answer it. At the same time, Mr. Steele had a valid claim for attorney-client privilege. Basically, the information he obtained was confidential. And if he discloses that privileged or confidential information, he could face potential bar sanctions. So what is a defense lawyer to do? I do think this is a case of overreach because of the unique circumstances.